And Simeon, everyone's scrutinizing kind of below the line, looking for the margins, looking for what's happening with inventories. What is the main thing to fix on here in this report?
Yeah, listen, I think top and bottom line beat is key. So the positives are you got North America and China working in the right direction. You've got gross margins that's less bad than feared. And on the one other side, you have inventory that probably would have been a little bit nicer to be a little bit lower. But that's what we're going to get more color on for the call.
So less bad than feared is what you would have said about margins at this point, and where are they headed?
Yeah, so the gross margin down 300, nicely better than the guide, but still down 300. But I think this is where Nike made it very clear that they were going to work through their product. They were going to discount. Everyone out there got good holiday deals. As we work towards the back half of this year, that gross margin is going to get better. We're going to stop talking about less bad than feared. We'll be able to actually talk about better margins.
Some of the longer-term drivers, probably worth mentioning, Nike Direct sales, currency neutral, up 25%. So, I mean, the larger story seems like it's pretty well intact, but, you know, China and this inventory glut seem to be the things that are hanging over the stock.
I think that's fair. One thing you and I have talked about in the past, though, wholesale was strong. I don't think we should forget about that. So a lot of people will be talking about direct, but wholesale actually grew faster. So when we look at this print, we needed to see North America moving in the right direction. It did. We needed to see China starting to work out of the slump that it's been in. It's getting there. Gross margin could be better, but a lot better than people are worried about. And we want to see that inventory. So I think that's that one piece where if inventory was down more, I don't think we'd be having this conversation, but they'll work through it. That's what they're showing us. And I think that's, again, we'll get this on the conference call soon. We'll get more color.
Do the broader concerns about either consumers' ability and willingness to spend next year, and also, you know, just sort of not needing as much stuff after the binge that we went through over the pandemic, are those bumping up against this stock here as well? I mean, it still trades at a nice premium.
Yeah, so you know that's been the conversation you and I have been having for a little bit now. We all bought a lot of sneakers, the same way we all bought a lot of patio furniture, right? So there's different ways of thinking about it, but we do have to acknowledge that during the pandemic, everyone pulled forward a lot of demand. And so the question is, how many months of sneakers did we buy in a one-year period? What's interesting, though, the way we see that in the other consumer companies is we see that on a revenue compression. We actually see pressure on the top line. Nike's not seeing that. So I don't know whether they're pulling forward other people's demand as well. But right now, you're seeing strength in North America. You're seeing strength in footwear. So I think there's this interesting dynamic here where I would say you pulled forward almost anything that was in discretionary spending over the last several years. And what that should mean is a slower top line. And we're seeing that across consumer. We're just not seeing it at Nike right now. Nike continues to show that top line strength. And so that's why I think to your earlier point, the question is going to be, what does it cost them to do it? What are the discounts that are needed to get there? And how long does it take us to have a clean inventory position?
Anything beyond all that you'd be keen to hear about in the call?
Listen, I want to hear about management. You brought up direct. They're going to talk about direct. I think it is interesting when we look about the direct versus wholesale presence. But I think right now, China's probably going to be a big focus of this conversation. China has historically been Nike's best revenue growth driver, but also its best margin region. So we want to hear where that's going. It's still negative. As that moves into positive territory, I think a lot of people will put a lot of focus on China. So definitely something we're going to be looking forward to in the call.